हे गाइस व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हैं आप लोग? तो कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे कि नेमोनिक्स बनाने के लिए लाइक देयर विल बी सेपरेट बुक रिक्वायर्ड फॉर नेमोनिक्स। सी द ट्रिक हेयर इज आप अपनी पढ़ाई करते रहिए जैसे द वे यू रिमेंबर इट। बट इफ़ यू रिमेंबर दिस स्टोरी ऑल्सो और द नेमोनिक ऑल्सो विच आई विल टेल यू, द ऑड ऑफ इट लाइक स्ट्राइकिंग योर हेड इन द एग्जाम हॉल बिकम्स स्लाइटली बेटर। तो आपको याद आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी थोड़ी सी बढ़ जाती है, दैट्स ऑल. So if you go by these stories, even if you don't like actively remember them at the time of examination, you are preparing on your own, right? So there is no issues about that. So always remember it complements, it is not like substitution. So in this way, in this lesson, we will talk about directive principles of state policy classification, and we will remember the tricks. Often in MCQ they ask which of the following is a liberal principle, which of the following is a socialist principle, which of the following is a Gandhian principle. And even in essay, if you are writing a good essay, then you can mention that these are the following Gandhian principles, these are socialist principles, these are liberal principles. This is presented by me, Roman Saini. If you feel this course is helping in any way, do give 5 star. So let's get it started. So there is no official classification in constitution, but like for academic convenience, they divide into 3 parts: socialist, Gandhian, and liberal intellectual. Or you can just simply say SGL, socialist, Gandhian, liberal. Now socialist principle will always be like towards equity, equal work, equal pay, ये वो. ओके, हेल्थ होनी चाहिए, न्यूट्रिशन होना चाहिए, वर्कर शुड नॉट बी एक्सप्लॉइटेड, दे शुड बी गिवन ह्यूमन कंडीशंस, मैटरनल ये एजुकेशन होनी चाहिए बच्चों की, फ्री लीगल एड होना चाहिए, मतलब एवरीथिंग टुवर्ड्स इक्वालिटी, दैट इज सोशलिस्ट. गांधीयन प्रिंसिपल्स विल इन्वॉल्व काउज, कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज, अल्कोहल, विलेज कम्युनिटी, पंचायत एक्सेट्रा. Then liberal intellectual, they will involve like uniform civil code and stuff like that. But how do you remember, याद कैसे करें, that is the main query. So let's get started. When it comes to socialist principles, so these are the articles. So everybody should know that the directive principles of state policies are in part 4 of Indian constitution, from article 36 to article 51. Article 38 says justice, social, economic, political. Article 39A says free legal aid to the poor. 41 is right to education, right to work. 42 is human conditions for work and maternity relief. 43 is living wage and decent standard of life. 43 is secure the participation of workers in management of industries. And 47 is nutrition and public health. So I have weaved a small story. इमेजिन कि एक फैक्ट्री है जहाँ पे जो उनका ओनर है वो काफ़ी एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहा है. तो लॉयर्स इतने गुस्सा आ गए कि लॉयर्स आर फाइटिंग अ केस, मतलब फ्री लीगल एड तो यहाँ पे हो गई फॉर पुअर वर्कर्स फॉर फ्री टू डिलीवर जस्टिस. नाउ जस्टिस भी हो गया आपका. So whenever these keywords come, you can totally relate them and you can answer the MCQ or even an essay type, because the factory owner is making them overwork. तो मतलब human conditions for work नहीं है. In dark humid conditions, again like human conditions नहीं है, with very low wage. Now here again living wage and standard of life नहीं होगा if the wage is very low. Then there is no union formation is allowed, means participation of worker is not there in management of industries. That's why their health is really bad, which is here like nutrition and public health is affected. They can neither take their children to school, that is right to education, RT, this is affected, nor their pregnant wives to the hospital, which means maternity relief is also gone. So all these are covered: justice, free legal aid, right to education, right to work, right to public assistance, and humane conditions for work, maternity relief, wage, decent standard of life, participation of workers in management, unions हो जाएगा, and public health. So if you just remember this small story, you will remember all the socialist principles. But there is article 39 which I have left out completely. I wanted to make a small story, like it involves all these parameters, but again like just remember like adequate means of livelihood for all citizens, distribution of material resources, prevention of concentration of wealth and means of production. So these are the most important directive principles based on which most of the laws are enacted. Article 39B and 39C: equal pay for equal work, preservation of health and strength of workers and children, and opportunities for healthy development of children. So just remember, LDC is a post, that is lower division clerk. He goes to primary health center. Society is primary health center. LDC goes to PHC. L is for livelihood, D is for distribution, C is for concentration, P is for payment for equal pay for equal work, H is for health of the strength of the workers and children, and opportunities for healthy development of children is C. So LDC goes to societies, PHC. So this is how you remember all the socialist principles. This is the story. Lawyers are fighting a case to deliver justice for poor workers for free because the factory owner is making them overwork in dark humid conditions with very low wage, and no union formation is allowed. That's why their health is really bad. This is like, sorry for this, IER होना चाहिए. They can neither take their children to school nor their pregnant wife to the hospital. Here you remember LDC goes to PHC, L is for means of livelihood, D is for equitable distribution, C is for prevention of concentration of wealth, P is for Pay, that is equal pay for equal work. Here lower division clerk, primary health center, preservation of health and strength of workers, and society का मतलब यहाँ पे हो जाएगा socialist principles for healthy development of children is C. Now let's move on to the Gandhian principles. Like village से village पंचायत याद रह जाएगी आपको. Cottage industry याद रह जाएगा, cottage industry, cooperative societies, promotion of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other weaker sections, intoxicating drugs and alcohol का like prevention obviously, and prohibiting cows and cattle slaughter. बस सिंपल सी स्टोरी है. बेसिकली विलेज से पंचायत याद रख लेना, दैट्स ऑल. सो इमेजिन अ विलेज और वेर लाइक देर इज लॉट ऑफ पंचायत. ऑब्वियसली विलेज से पंचायत याद आ जाएगा. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. वेयर पीपल लिव इन कॉटेजेस, सिर्फ कॉटेज में रहते हैं और कोई घर वर नहीं है किसी का. दे हैव फॉर्म्ड अ अमूल कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी. सो हियर यू हैव कैन सी प्रमोशन ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी वेयर दे पूल काउज मिल्क. नाउ सिंस दे आर पूलिंग काउज मिल्क तो ऑब्वियसली उनका स्लॉटर वो अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. And there is no discrimination with Dalits, so means promotion of like scheduled caste, scheduled tribe people, and alcohol is completely prohibited. So as you can see, all these six are covered. If you just remember this small story, all the Gandhian principles, and just remember that the punch of that village is Mahatma Gandhi. अगर आपको ये लाइन याद रह जाएगी, बहुत awesome है. I don't want to write everything, थोड़ा ताकि आपके कान खुले रहें सुनने टाइम. Now finally, liberal intellectual principles, like just remember JP Cement, this always works, always. J से मेरे को याद रहता है judiciary. Judiciary should be separated from executive. P से मेरे को याद रहता है peace and security, obviously international, क्योंकि liberal intellectual principles की बात कर रहे हो आप. You cannot be limited to a country or a religion, anything. C से civil code आ जाता है तो uniform civil code हो जाता है. ई से एजुकेशन हो जाता है, यानी कि अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर. पहले क्या था 6 to 14, लेकिन अब फंडामेंटल राइट हो गया 6 to 14. तो सो नाउ दे हैव अमेंडेड आफ्टर 86 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट, इट विल टेक केयर ऑफ अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड एजुकेशन. इट इज़ लेस देन 6. एम से मॉडर्नाइज करना है एग्रीकल्चर को एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री को. ई से आपको एनवायरनमेंट का ध्यान देना है, सेफ गार्ड फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ. एन से नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस. टी से टेंस वाला याद आ जाता है, नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस. सो बहुत सिंपल निमोनिक है. जेपी सीमेंट, यू रिमेंबर दैट, इट यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट इट, दैट जेपी सीमेंट इज फॉर लिबरल इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रिंसिपल्स. ओके, सो नेवर फॉरगेट इट. इवन इफ लेट से आपको कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा कि वहाँ जेपी सीमेंट किसका है, कैन इट बी फॉर गांधीयन प्रिंसिपल्स, कैन इट बी फॉर सोशलिस्ट प्रिंसिपल्स. ओके, बिकॉज एलडीसी गोज टू सोसाइटीज पीएचसी, सो यू विल रिमेंबर ऑलवेज दैट. तो अगर उसमें से कुछ पूछ रहे हैं, मान लो ये 3 ऑप्शन होते हैं और चौथा नहीं होता, तो यू कैन इजीली फिल्टर थ्रू जेपी सीमेंट इवन इफ यू डोंट नो इट्स अ लिबरल इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रिंसिपल. So that is the beauty of mnemonic. Anyway, I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day.